everyone! In this short instructional video, we will demonstrate the proper uses of welding tools and supplies and how to apply quality standards to ensure a strong and clean weld.
Before starting any welding work, it is important to know the basic tools used. First is the welding machine, which provides the heat needed to melt metal. Next is the electrode or welding rod, which acts as the filler material. We also need to make sure that we use PPE such as welding helmet for eye protection, apron, and gloves. This is to protect the body from heat and sparks and to maintain safety in our workplace.
Now I will demonstrate the proper use of personal protective equipment. So we have gloves. Next we have helmet.
Let's demonstrate how to properly use these tools. Always wear complete safety gear before starting. Turn on the welding machine and set the correct current. Hold the electrode firmly and use the electrode holder. Begin the welding by maintaining a steady and hand-correct angle.
To ensure a good quality weld, certain standards must be followed. The weld should be smooth and free from cracks to guarantee durability. There should also be a proper penetration between the metals so that they are strongly joined. Excessive spatter should be also avoided to maintain a clean output. In addition, the weld bead size must be uniform and consistent for a professional finish. And lastly, the finished workpiece should always be checked in terms of strength and appearance to ensure it meets the required quality.
After welding, the workpiece must be checked to make sure the welding is done properly. Inspect the welding line to see if it's smooth, even, and free from cracks or gaps. Also, check if the metal are firmly joined and strong. If any weak or uneven areas are found, they should be repaired to ensure the welding is safe and durable.
Proper use of welding tools and following quality standards are essential to ensure safe, strong, and reliable welding work. By using the correct equipment and applying proper techniques, we can prevent accidents and produce high-quality outputs. Always remember that safety, accuracy, and consistency are key in every welding task. That concludes our presentation. We hope you learned something valuable. Thank you for listening.